Again, good morning, everyone. Good morning, grade 10.
Good
Um,
morning, teacher.
Let me ask you this question again. Did everybody take the exam? They took the exam?
Yes.
Yes.
Since then, because we were having the unlocking difficulties for the item analysis. Can we have the item analysis today? Right. That's great. So let me share my screen. Just give me a minute. Where's it? Okay. It's in here. Can you see my shared screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So let's start with your test 1A. It's a multiple choice question. So I'll be calling you by your name or by your family name, and you read the question and give the answer. Okay? Let's start with scenario. Number one,
It is the amount of kinetic energy needed to move an electron through one volt.
what is it?
Electron volt.
Electron volt. Correct. Electron volt. Number two, let's have Nino.
The distance between the crests. C. AB, wavelength.
You're guessing, Nino. What is the correct answer?
Wavelength, B.
Wavelength. Correct. Number three, let's have Veloso.
The number of crests that pass a given point with 1 second. Frequency.
Correct. That's frequency. If it is per second, meaning it is in hertz, that's frequency. Okay. Number four, let's have Geldizo.
The vertical distance between the tip of a crest and the wave's central axis. A. Amplitude. Amplitude.
Again, the vertical distance between the tip of the crest.
Between the tip of crest and the wave's central axis is the amplitude. A.
Correct. It's amplitude. Number five, let's have Audrey.
It is considered as the lowest point of a wave. C, true. I mean, what? B, true?
The lowest
Wait,
point.
teacher. Lowest point, number 5, teacher, right?
Yeah, number five.
B, true. Wait, what?
The lowest point. Let's have
Teacher, B,
it's
true, teacher.
zero.
What?
Correct. It's
True.
zero. That's correct. So when you study your lesson, you need to associate it with it is if it is in by letters, number one. Number two, if it is by location. So throw is in the lower, crest is in the upper. Okay. Considered as the highest point, this is the crest. Let's move to number seven. Let's have Trisha. Trisha.
She doesn't have a mic, teacher.
Okay. Silvosa. Number seven.
It makes parallel light sprays passing through it bend inward and meet converge at a spot just beyond the lens. Convex lens.
It is convex.
Convex lens.
Okay. Again, inward. So there are some inward or bend inward to converge. This is convex lens. Number 8, let's have Rachel.
A lens that use two or more simpler lens. Um, Compound lens.
Compound lens, correct. Number 9, let's have Audrey.
It is exactly the opposite with the outer surfaces curving inward, so it makes parallel light rays curve outward or what's that?
Diverge.
Diverge. Where is it? Be concave lens.
Concave lens. Okay. Again, concave lens. Number 10, let's have Veloso.
The type of image produced by a flat mirror. B. Virtual image.
Virtual image is correct. Yes, it's virtual image. Test 1B is identification. You're asked to identify the terminology. Number 11, Inario.
These have the shortest waves in the spectrum and as a result have the most energy. Gamma rays.
Gamma. Okay. Gamma usually used to cure cancer. Okay. This is your the radiation therapy. They uses gamma. Okay. Number 12, let's have Eraldizo.
They can penetrate soft tissue like skin and muscle and are used in medicine. X-rays.
X-ray. Yes, correct. X-ray. Number 13, you have Nino.
These are the waves that can be seen by the human eye. This is the range of, these are waves from the sun that cause sunburn. Ultraviolet rays.
Yes, correct. It's ultraviolet rays or UV rays. Number 14, let's have J.
These are these are waves that can be seen by the human eye. This is the range of wavelengths from 360 to 700 nm, which corresponds to frequencies 430 to 790 Hz. Visible light.
Visible light. Yes, correct. It's visible light. Number 15, let's have,
Can I answer, Chair?
again, come again.
Can I answer the number 15?
Yeah, number 15.
These are the waves that are used in your TV.
Okay. What do you think is the answer?
Infrared.
Infra.
Infrared. Infrared.
Infrared. These are waves that are used in your TV remote to change channel. Yes, correct. It's infrared. Okay. Number 16. Veloso.
These are short waves with wavelengths measured in centimeters. We use wave to cook food, transmit information, and in radar that helps to predict the weather. Microwave.
Microwave. Correct. It's microwave. Number 17, Audrey.
What number, teacher?
17.
This wave has the longest wavelengths of all electromagnetic waves. They range from around a foot long to several miles long. They often used to transmit data and have been used for all sorts of applications, including radio, satellites, radar, and computer networks. Um, Radio waves.
Radio wave. Correct. It's radio wave. Number 18, let's have Geraldizo. Geraldizo.
It says that when a ray of light hits a surface, it bounces in a certain way, like a tennis ball thrown against a wall. Law of attraction. Reflection. Law of reflection.
The law of
Reflection.
reflection. Okay, because it's bouncing.
Which
Number 19, let's have Inario.
It is always equal to the angle leaving the surface or the angle of reflection, the angle of incidence.
Correct. The angle of incidence. And number 20, let's have Silvosa.
It reflects at a wider angle near its edges than at its centers, creating a slightly distorted image that's smaller than actual size. Convex mirror.
Convex mirror. Yes, convex mirror. Test 2A is labeling. Okay, we need to label. Number 1, let's have Rachel, number 1. Number 21, rather.
Throw.
Throw. Correct. Number 22, let's have Audrey.
22 is crest.
Crest. Correct. 23, Scenario.
Amplitude.
Amplitude. Correct. And 24, Nino.
Wavelength.
Wavelength. Okay. For test 2B, you're asked to use a Venn diagram to compare and contrast terminologies or concepts. Now, in comparing and contrasting, it's different in your LMS because you're asked to differentiate, right? Okay. When I ask something
Yes.
to differentiate or concept to differentiate, you need to follow some rules. Number 1, in comparing and contrasting using a Venn diagram, it has a space at the center, right? The purpose of putting a space at the center in order for you to write in or put or include the common among those terminologies. Okay, what are the common among those terminologies or among those concepts? Same as comparing and contrasting. You need to put or you need to include what would be the common those terminologies. Okay, we will have the test 2B by next meeting. Let's end it here since we still have a lot of time to consider this. I think that will be all for today, class. Please, if you have concern with your other activities, please let me know. Leave a message, let me know so that I can assist you with your concern. Okay? And with regards to the second periodical test, I think I cannot give chances to those who didn't take the second periodical test. Right? Am I making that clear?
Yes.
I think that will be all for today, grade 10. Thank you for your participation, and please do prepare for our next lesson, which is the reproductive system. Okay? Again, thank you for your participation, and have a nice day, grade 10. Goodbye.
Goodbye and thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.